All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to look through S&P 500, global news, trading news, and then some technicals. So if you like any of that, just like and subscribe. If not, it's all cool. I'm no guru. I'm just going through the charts. So let's get into it. So overall, S&P 500 isn't too crazy today, but there was a couple that stood out. So this Eli Lilly company was pretty crazy, to be honest, but so it made a couple key got through a couple of the key trials that it's been going for. So it's a weight loss drug, pretty promising, pretty cool company as well. But yeah, if you look, this is all from today, just a lot of news coming out about this, this weight loss drug and diabetes drug, I guess. Maybe same. I'm not too sure. I don't know much about drugs, but anyway, big company, $696 billion market cap, but yeah, been around since 1970. Anyway, we'll move on to over here. Boeing sold 103 jets to Korean Air, so $50 billion contract for them. So over here, Venona. I don't know. I've never heard anyone say it, but yeah, Venova. Sorry. They're getting a lot of news and have got a lot of good press about building the AI grid. So, and then, nothing too crazy. Oh, over here, I looked into the losers. Always kind of hard to find news about, but yeah, Adobe, Google Gemini has, it seems by the articles I was reading, made some products that don't look good for some Adobe's products with the Google's Gemini, so the AI. So apart from that, pretty standard day over on the S&P 500. We'll move on to the news. The news, nothing too crazy, as I said yesterday. Just political stuff, people getting angry at each other, people making money, people making deals. Nothing really sticking out on the market as of now, but we'll move on. So, all right, for trading news, a couple cool articles. I didn't really read through many today, but just this was one of the cool headlines. Tariff revenue could be well over $500 billion a year. So obviously we'll see how that all rolls out over the foreseeable future, but would be good. Americans would love that, I'm sure. So calendar news, Wednesday, the 27th. So Bank of Canada, Macklin speaks. They're just probably talking about monetary policy. It didn't really say. So the American Petroleum Institute, so just their weekly statistical bulletin. So weekly, that's why it's yellow. So nothing too crazy. Odd news is Melbourne Institute, so just changing the level of the index, so nothing too crazy. They're just general health of the economy, I guess. Consumer price index, so these two are red news, so higher impact. So maybe Aussie and CAD pairs will move a lot today with this news, but so CPI, so just consumer price index changing price, I guess. Also with that, same time, construction work's done. So pretty self-explanatory. German GfK consumer climate. So just another composite index about consumer sentiment. So So UBS, this is Chef News, Union Bank of Switzerland. So just their economic expectations. So that's 30 institutional investors looking 6 months into the future. So be interesting to see what they have to say. That's coming up shortly, I think. Happening now? But I'll have to read through it after this video or whatever. All right, so Pound is Confederation of British Industries. So they just have a survey of 125 retailers and wholesalers about the economy. So just general health of the economy again. And then Chinese news is monthly check over 8 economic indicators. So so nothing too crazy on all of these, but maybe the odd as Aussie, maybe I'd look at maybe odd pairs and that news more than Canadian news, just yeah, general. But anyway, we'll move on to the technical. So yeah, this is all as the last couple of days. Obviously, last week was a big move from Jackson Hole, but yeah, just consolidating. So and nothing in this video is financial advice as well, but yeah, just breaking out of these highs. Otherwise, it can be going up and down, and you just don't know. Consolidating. These markets go up, down, or sideways. So yeah, you just see how it plays out. So pound is doing the same, but yeah, bigger area to break out of, and yeah, and USDMX is just doing the same as well. So nothing too crazy happening on the currency pairs today. Well, the ones I follow, but if you follow any, let me know for sure, and if they're doing anything crazy. But it's always after you have big high impact news like what happened on Friday, you kind of have to wait for the dust to settle. So I feel like you know what you're trading to or trading from and stuff like that. Otherwise, yeah, as I've said before, fine line between gambling and trading. So so the S&P 500 is almost going to all-time highs again, but yeah, it's up 0.41% today. So yeah, almost getting back up there. So all-time highs. The Nasdaq is 0.43%. So as of last Wednesday, or yeah, it's just pretty much been, well, Wednesday or whatever, hit all-time highs and almost been going down for a week and a half now. So, and well, week, and then coming back up. So might consolidate, might go up and down, no one knows, especially with the indexes. So yeah, and then Dow Jones, that's just pull back from that all-time high it set on over the weekend. So yeah, it'd be interesting. As I was saying yesterday, it'll be really interesting to see how all these all-time highs and all these pundits all their predictions, because there's a lot of emotions and a lot of people putting their word on everything, and yeah, it's getting pretty crazy. No one knows. At the end of the day, no one really knows. So be interesting to see. But anyway, cheers guys. If you got any questions, let me know for sure, or write a comment, or I'll reply. So cheers guys. Thanks.